Hello, I'm Chloe. This is my brother, and today we're going to make my first slime. My first homemade slime. So we're just gonna get started. So we're gonna start with 1 teaspoon of borax. What's that teaspoon?
But you just said that you don't do that.
No, you can't add it in the bowl. You don't add it in the bowl. You keep it in here, and you add it. Okay, so let's grab the glue. Okay, so now we're just gonna pour a little bit into this bowl.
Like the whole canister?
Well, these are how small the containers are. So I want to make that much slime. Okay. So now we're going to add some shaving cream. So we're making fluffy slime. So let's hope this works. You want to add some?
Well, is that good? Or do you need
Well,
more?
I think it's okay. But you can pick what color. Blue,
I
orange.
Orange?
Okay.
Just take orange.
So
So shaving cream and glue, and then borax and water.
and
Are the
then
ingredients so far.
yep. So can we? I'm just afraid because I don't want it to.
Whoa, what's going on there?
We can't
Put
open
in
the
some
food coloring.
You
Yeah.
just gotta snip the tap off.
Oh well, I'm afraid it's just
Oh, do
gonna
you?
slide in my face.
Oh, no, there it is.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
can add the
How
food
many
color.
drops?
Like
Just a couple.
2. 1, 2. That looks red.
Yeah, that's more red. So then mix.
So then you're gonna take the spoon and then you're gonna add. Wait,
Start
is that
mixing.
supposed to be mixed like? You're gonna start mixing, and as you mix, you're gonna add a little borax. Well, borax and water to it as you mix. This is not looking good.
Or, I don't know. We'll see how it turns out.
Yeah.
Well, we don't know for sure.
Here, you do a little mixing, but I'll try to do more as well because, you know,
Yeah, that's it.
I'm going to add another one.
Okay, add a little bit at a time. You might add too much. Okay, you can start mixing.
It's like stuck to the
Put
spoon.
the spoon off. Yeah.
Like that.
Oh, with your fingers, maybe.
Take that off.
It's stuck to my fingers.
This looks like we're making some weird ice cream in here.
Sure does. I might have got glue on my hand. See, you added too much more.
Yeah, you gotta keep going.
And once it's like a good consistency with the bowl and the spoon, then you can start using it. There I go. Looking pink. Pink is so pink. Well, we got some slime like right there,
Yeah.
but this is like
Give
extra.
it.
You have to stir just a bit.
And I got the glue. You probably can't see, but you can.
Do you want to add like more glue or shaving cream to make it more,
Yeah, probably.
I don't know.
Well, no more shaving cream, but probably some more glue.
That was really glue.
Do we need more glue?
borax.
Glue and borax? Okay. More borax or glue?
Oh,
Oh, okay. Let's add the glue. It's really hard to glue.
Can I have a borax from it?
yeah.
But don't put it in.
You think the right glue? Trying to go in there?
Yeah. Just that's Probably good. And then borax in the water.
I don't know.
No, I think there's enough liquid in there.
Yeah, there's a
Unless there's a chemical reaction from the borax that we're looking for.
The borax is right there.
Okay, why do we need the water? Oh, I want to start using my hands.
Yeah.
I don't know any more borax.
Do we need more glue? Probably. Can I try?
It's really hard to get out.
Because we've had this glue for a long time.
Are you supposed to use Elmer's glue?
Probably.
Yeah, 'cause
Probably
that's like
I'll
quick
better.
drying.
This is fast grab tacky glue.
Yeah. That could be the problem.
Can you let's take that
I don't
out?
know if you want to.
Keep trying.
Whoa! That's so cool.
Maybe that's what
That's
the
actually
result
really.
is, a little
It's
ball.
actually really fluffy.
Really.
It's
So
so.
maybe that's the result. There's just
Yeah.
a little bit of slime inside that little, and that's your yield right there.
Yeah, we'll now do wash this off. Yeah, this is really this is a cool.
This is
slime.
what we
I think you
should.
need to work it, incorporate it more,
Yeah, probably.
because there's still too much glue.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
ridiculous!
Ridiculous.
Like,
Yeah, keep working that other stuff in there.
get your hands messy.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is so this feels really cool.
Yeah, it's like hold on.
Oh, it's like a sticky slime.
It's
That's a really good consistency.
Yeah, I'll tell you, you need to just keep working it a little bit.
In like with the little.
Yeah.
Can I try
Oh
that?
my gosh. Okay, I think
Otherwise, it's just glue.
Yeah, and that's gonna be really sticky. Now this feels like. Oh, that's not. No. This feels like a real slime. This feels like a real slime now. Like you could touch it with hands that are super clean, and you wouldn't get messy.
Okay.
It's amazingly cool.
Huh.
Apparently that glue is pretty good, but let's try to use Elmer's glue.
Yeah, I mean, I don't.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. You can just put it in the bowl now and let it
Sit.
sit. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Can you put the turn off the video? Bye.